Another morning, another black t-shirt. I present to you the Lazy Girl breakfast. I did not use a knife to cut bananas. I cut them with my hand. You know what? They're all gonna end up mushed in my stomach anyways, so who cares? I did not show any of my morning because there really was nothing to show. But here I am, outfit of the day, ready to go for a run. This is a Balance Athletica. I don't even know from my collection, to be honest. And these are Petula pants that I got like 2 years ago. I'm honestly still deciding if I wanna run or if I wanna walk. Such a hard decision to make right now. But I have a lot to do again today for my small business. I'm launching a St. Patrick's Day collection, and I have yet to make, photograph, post any of my products, and I've promised that I will have a little preview at 3 o'clock today, which is in 3 hours. So I think I have no choice but to run. So let's do this. I am back from running. I've been back for a little bit, and I actually made a TikTok that took me about it took me about 40 minutes to make. Like, bruh. Yeah. Okay, it's time for lunch, and I'll show you guys what I have. Today we're eating out, takeout. Okay, so yes, this is not for my diet, but anyways, here we have meat, potato. These are French fries. Onion, tomato, and rice.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low. Now, if you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe. Striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we
As promised, we have the St. Patrick's Day collection right here. We have the Kiss Me I'm Irish design, a Happy St. Patrick's Day, Kofi, Donuts, and Shamrock. So those 3 designs will be up on my Etsy page. Okay, so I've been prepping all day for my 4 o'clock launch. I just launched my products on my Etsy page, and now we had a little Wally situation. He's Wally, my dog, he's very allergic. So we just took him, and I was, posting, so Ray did the favor of going to the vet first, and I'm gonna catch him there.
the summer night. And when we
And there they are, Papa! Let's go, Papa. I feel like I never get to post when I'm walking with Wally because he bloopers. So we have just come to the Starbucks with little Wally. Hi, Wally. He's sitting right here at the window, and there's the Starbucks. Oh, he's trying to jump off. Let's see if he barks.
This cappuccino.
No, because that has protein.
Thank you so much. You too.
So it's probably 8 o'clock now, and we ordered some wings. Buffalo wings. Is it open? Okay, so I'm out. Here's our order. Okay guys, we ate our dinner, and now we're just gonna have some quiet down family time. Meanwhile, I edit this video. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video.